I'm not a big talker, but you seem like a nice guy. Ever been to Maribor? It's just a town. Noisy, dusty. I was commissioned there a long time ago. It was a simple job, to get rid of the drowning men that got on the ferry crossing. They started eating fishermen and travelers alike. So I went there. I waited for sunset. It was getting dark. The fog was drifting on the water. I walked to the shore. My boots were getting stuck in the mud. The cold was creeping in. I heard something gurgling. There they are. They came out of the water, 4 of them. Small, ugly. Well, I guess it's not a hard job. Took the first one down with 1 punch. The second one was quicker, scratched on the armor, but he didn't live long either. I finished the 3rd one in the water, but the 4th was more cunning. He didn't rush at once, but waited. As soon as I relaxed, he jumped. Dumped him in the mud, his stinking mouth right next to my face. I almost chewed his ear off before I got my knife. Got to the innkeeper, gave him his order. Put the money in my pocket for my stay. I thought I'd get some sleep, then hit the road in the morning. But that's not the case. I woke up in the night and something was wrong. My head was buzzing. My arms were aching. My chest felt like fire. Turns out that last drowning man was sick with something. He'd been eating rotten meat, hoarding poison, bite and infection. I tried to get up. My legs were wobbly. My eyes were blurry. A normal person would have ended up dead, but a Witcher just suffers longer. For 2 weeks, I was in bed. I didn't know if I was dead or alive. The innkeeper spit on me, thought I'd caught some plague. All I did was drink water and cough up blood. No witch's potions helped. But then one day I woke up, and it was like a shadow had fallen from my shoulders. I got up, packed my things, went outside. Wind in his face, sun in his eyes. Alive. I harnessed the horse and set off. It was a long way back. Go back to sleep. I'll take first watch.